Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you the DJI RS3 Combo. Let's unbox. This is how it came like. I ordered this from Amazon. I got it for £515. When I get that off, this is what we have in there. Get the rubber off. Alright. It's got some green things here that you can peel off like that. Comes off. It's got a handle right there. The box is actually pretty solid. Throw it away. And a nice carrying bag. I think that's one thing DJI did well by adding a carrying bag. I think this is a bag that can be used again. I won't do it gently. Right, so it comes in this nice bag. Bag is actually well made. It looks very solid. It looks like it's going to protect the gimbal very well. Let's go ahead and open it, see what's inside. Oh, there's a tag here that says DJI. That's nice. Alright, so I've got something here protecting the gimbal. Okay, and there's a strap. This is the gimbal itself. I've not had this gimbal before, first time. I did not use the DJI RS2 or the DJI RS3. An important thing to note if you're looking at buying this gimbal is that the DJI RS3 is a replacement for, or an upgrade for, the DJI RS2, and the DJI RS3 Pro is a replacement for the DJI RS2. So bear that in mind if you're looking at getting this gimbal. The normal DJI RS3 came at a lower price, but I decided to go with the combo. I'll put a link in the description below so you can check the prices. Okay, and we've got some spaces here. Okay, what have we got? Silica gels, I think. Yeah, silica gels. Anti-mold package. It's not part of, that's not what we want. Okay. Oh, so this is part of the full focus system. Yeah, just to pull focus manually if you want to. I think it only comes with the DJI RS3 Combo and the DJI RS3 Pro. If you go for the DJI RS3, I'm not sure it will come with a full focus system. It's got another protective thingy there. Okay, we've got that. Okay, we've got the base plate and that. Bag seems very well made. The things fit very well. And that's our handle slash battery. So we've got the battery. We've got the tripod, I believe. Yeah, the tripod. I think this is plastic. That's what I think. I think it's plastic. Right, so we've got this. We've got this one. I'll put everything here. We've got the base plate. We've got the full focus, which I put back. There. I think this is the extra handle. Okay, let's see what we've got in this one. Okay, we've got this thing here. I don't know if it's part of the full focus system. I've not used the full focus before, I have the Mosaic Cross 2, but I never got the full focus system. We've got DJI RS focus motor. I think this is just instruction on it on how to use it. If you've not used it, like I've not used it, you might want to read it, yeah, or just watch some YouTube videos and all that. You've got a cable here, it's a type C to USB. You've got these. I'm going to put everything back so I don't lose them. So inside this bag, we've got the gimbal itself, yeah, we've got the gimbal itself, the DJI RS3 gimbal. We've got the tripod, we've got the battery, we've got the base plates, we've got the extra handle there, we've got this, I don't know if it's the lens support system or for the full focus, but we'll find out later on. We've got the focus motor itself, yeah. So first impression, this gimbal is actually well made. If you've held the DJI Running S before, that was a very well made gimbal. This one is well made as well. I mean, don't expect anything less from DJI, guys. They are good. I can't wait to try out the auto locking feature and, you know, all the interesting features and all that. You've got the switches here, the pan tilt follow, pan follow, and then FPV, power button there. Alright guys, that's it. This was just an unboxing video just to let you know what to expect in case you're getting the DJI RS3 Combo. First impression, this thing is well built. It feels very premium. This wheel here feels very good, the trigger as well. It feels and it sounds really good. All the buttons on it feel pretty good and pretty premium. And I do love the fact that it came with a bag, just so you can just pack everything and securely store it and then transfer it to location securely. And you know, I love that. Thumbs up DJI. I'm releasing a review video of the DJI RS3 Combo, but for now I'm going to end here. See you in the next video. Remember, I am Sir Angel and this is your Photo Chef. See you in another video.